What's up, guys? Flame here. And so this is Bubby's routine. Go into Mama's room. Let me hold his paw. And then he just does his little busty smile. That's what we call it. This pose is called the I don't care. It looks like he's doing a little doggy paddle. If you listen closely, you can hear him purr. He is a Maine Coon tabby. Look how big those paws are. Look how big those paws are. Look how big the paws are. He's a white belly. 'Cause tabby like fur. Little white underneath his jaw here. Yeah, let's see if I can get a little close up with his busty smile. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, here it is. The busty smile. Bubby, let's say hello to YouTube. Bubby. Oh, he's knocked out cold. He's just the most cutest kitty ever. He's loving, and I just thought I'll make this video about him. Bubby, stop it. No. Hi, nice to meet you. He goes by different names, like Bubby, Busty, or Buster. Hey, Simba. Lion King. And this is my shirt that he just chooses to sleep on. He's normally on my bed or just playing on the carpet. But today he just chose to take my shirt that I was going to wear. Really? You had to do that? It's okay. You're cute no matter what. You can see he has a little white here. His tail. If you know how little my gray adult kitty is, her paws are much smaller. Here, let's see. It's Bubby, stop it. If I lift up the paw right here, it has just fur here. He lets me do this at times. Just look how cute his paws are. Aren't these like the cutest little things? He's still playing. Yeah, let's see if I can get you guys to him. I tried, but he's like a motor. I guess he's going to kitty sleep. Nope, I just wanted to make this video because I'm bored. And are you thumping your tail at me? Not nice, mister. He's having a kitty dream. He's mad. He is mad. Oh, cutesy. Oh, are you up? Busty. Look, there he is. Were you having a kitty dream? Yeah. How was it? How's my mama's baby? Just me, I'd rather have this than a dog. Hi, puppy. He came from a house that took poorly care of him. He was covered in dirt, fleas all over, but we took good care of him. Now he's just a spoiled 1-year-old cat. And stop fluffing your tail at me. He does it when he's mad. I am not touching you right now. Look, see how he's still on my shirt? Here, let me just... Wow. Where'd you go? Yeah, he's mad. He still puzz. He just thumps his tail. If you could... Oh, God. See, that does not look like a nice... That does not look like a nice formation. Y'all saw how his tail was. My video is a lot longer because I'm using a brand new phone. It's much bigger, much better. And do not forget to subscribe to Mavericks44. He is growing his channel just like me. And yeah, I just want to make a little video of my baby. Bye.